Hello, teacher Hernando. My name is Jocelyn Castro Pareja, and I'm gonna do my presentation about a person's daily routine. In this case, I'm going to talk about my daddy's daily routine. I start. Jonathan is an adult. He is 29 years old, and I'm going to say his daily routine. He wakes up at 4 o'clock in the morning. He starts his devotion at 4:15 o'clock in the morning. He finishes his devotion and goes to take his breakfast at 5:15 o'clock in the morning. He takes a shower at 5:30 o'clock in the morning and finishes at 5:40 o'clock in the morning. He gets dressed at 5:40 o'clock in the morning and brushes his teeth. He goes to work at 6 o'clock in the morning. He takes his snack at 10 o'clock in the morning. He takes his lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. He arrives to home at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. He sleeps until 5 o'clock in the afternoon. He takes another nap at 5:15 o'clock in the afternoon. He takes his dinner at 7 o'clock at night. He goes to the bed at 8 o'clock at night and he watches TV. He falls asleep until the next day. This was my presentation about my daddy's daily routine. And thank you so much for all. Goodbye.